Ano po kaya ang mga dapat ko gawin or roadmap para mapalaki ko po ang business ko? Hello, Mommy N. I am an
Hello.
online seller for 3 years now. I want to level up my business. Feeling ko po kasi hindi po ako nag-grow by now. I only have my sister that helps me on packaging orders. Pero sa marketing, customer service, and everything, ako po lahat. My business is not yet registered, kaya takot pa po ako mag-hire. Gusto ko po mag-umpisa sa registration, pero I don't know how to start and kung kailangan na talaga. Yep.
Okay, thank you. Ang nakita ko dito is my business is not yet registered kaya takot po ako mag-hire. So can you elaborate on that? I could not understand na bakit mahirap mag-hire kung hindi registered.
Hindi lang po ako confident na mag-hire kasi baka ma-report ako dahil na unregistered pa ako, ganun po. Or baka maghanap po kasi yung employee ng benefits like SSS, ganyan. Kaya gusto ko po mag-start ng registration para nga mag-level up siya.
Meron namang way na virtual assistants yung iyong hinahire. So, ang virtual assistants, mga freelancers sila. So, wala silang benefits, wala silang anything. Kasi virtual assistants nga. Is that something that you would want to try? Ang kahirapan lang is, may mga virtual assistants kasi na bigla na lang mawawala. Kasi hindi mo nga sila empleyado. What I feel is that at this point, parang the best thing to do is for you to really register your business na. For you to register your business, the best person to ask is not me. Kasi hindi ako gumagawa nun dahil lahat nyon ginagawa ng aking mga tao. So meron akong mga bookkeepers or yung aking accountant, siya yung gumagawa. So the best thing to do would be to ask her. Tanungin mo siya kung ano yung process, ano yung dapat. If that is your concern. Alright? At saka yung mga taxes, sila rin ang nakakaalam niyan. So ako wala akong masyadong alam dyan. For me, no, first step is for you to delegate kasi hindi ka talaga mag-grow kung ikaw lang mag-isa. Dahil you only have how many hours in a day, so hindi mo kaya na ikaw lahat at hindi ka na matulog. Merong nagpapacking, alam ko yan sa online selling. Merong mga umu-order, pero yung pagsasagot sa mga customer service, madugo yan dahil maraming tanong. Kahit na anong ginagawa mo, kailangan sumasagot ka dahil pag hindi mo sinagot, hindi ka napapansinin, di ba? But all of these things, you can delegate. And there is a process for you to start delegating. Pero you need to have the people. So, if you want me to help you, to guide you on how to start to delegate, get in touch with me para magkaroon tayo ng one-on-one. Let's see how I can help you do the processes for how to start delegating. Okay, so yung bookkeeping, yung taxes, somebody else will handle that. Pero yung how to start delegating, how to identify kung ano yung mga ginagawa mo, alin yung unang dapat ma-delegate, I can coach and guide you on that. But we'll need to have another call because most of these people here have not started their business. So they also have questions like that na hindi sila makarelate. But no, yung mga hindi pa nag-uumpisa ng business, like, know that yan talaga. At the end, the things that you need to tackle or to be very good at in growing your business is yung tao. Kasi yung systems pwede mong gawin eh. Pero ang tao, tao yan eh. Hindi mo pwedeng ilagay sa kahon. And that's why you really need to be able to handle it.
Are you struggling to figure out what kind of business to start? Have you been changing your mind about different business ideas? I understand how frustrating and confusing it can be not knowing what business to start. It can make you feel stuck, unhappy, and unsure about which direction to take. But guess what? I have developed a program just for you. The Discover Your Business Calling program is designed to guide you on a journey of self-discovery, helping you find the best business idea that resonates with who you are. It also provides you with the guidance and support you need to make a confident decision and to take that leap toward a fulfilling entrepreneurial journey. Don't let the pain of not knowing what business to start hold you back any longer. Enroll in the Discover Your Business Calling program today so you can experience the joy and satisfaction that comes from building a business you love. Check out the description box below for the link to enroll. See you there! If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. And when you do, it helps us reach more people and more business owners can learn from us. By subscribing, you're part of a big group that shares helpful information and supports each other. Thank you very much for your support and see you in the next video, okay?